What do you do after breakfast? What do you do after breakfast?
I read the newspaper for a while. I read the newspaper for a while.
When do you usually have breakfast? When do you usually have breakfast?
I have breakfast around 8 o'clock. I have breakfast around 8 o'clock. Do you drink tea or coffee? Do you drink tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea in the morning. I usually drink tea in the morning.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10. I go to bed around 10. How many hours do you sleep? How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for about 7 hours. I sleep for about 7 hours.
What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now?
I am reading today's newspaper. I am reading today's newspaper. What are you cooking in the kitchen? What are you cooking in the kitchen?
I am cooking rice and vegetables. I am cooking rice and vegetables.
Where are you going this evening? Where are you going this evening?
I am going to the market. I am going to the market. What is he doing outside? What is he doing outside?
He is watering the plants now.
He
Is watering the plants now.
Is it raining outside right now? Is it raining outside right now?
Yes, it is raining quite heavily. Yes, it is raining quite heavily.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
I love fish curry and rice. I love fish curry and rice. Do you like traveling to new places? Do you like traveling to new places?
Of course, I love traveling a lot. Of course, I love traveling a lot. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is deep blue. My favorite color is deep blue.
Which season do you like most? Which season do you like most?
I like winter more than summer. I like winter more than summer.
What is this fruit called? What is this fruit called?
It is called a mango. It is called a mango.